Hello everyone, I hope you guys are having a wonderful day, making some really good trades, and yep, let's just get into it because we got a lot of stuff to cover today. And boy oh boy, we can see that Bitcoin is back down to 25,546, absolutely ripping down and starting to actually break some support. But we did close the daily on top of this trend line right here. As you can see, we are still within that channel. The day is not over. This could be a wick, right? We still have to go down and test this level right here at 24,931. But overall, we did end up coming back down, and I did enter a small position right here on my leveraged account, so it's just a starter position for the time being. We are out of the money clearly as the price keeps dipping, and I did open a small short right here as well to hedge on the spot account and to protect us just in case the Bitcoin price does end up flash crashing down to 21,000. Although that's not what I think is going to happen, you never know what is going to happen. So always protect yourself and use proper risk management. Now we could see that right now on the weekly time frame, the green dot that we had at the beginning of the week, I did make a post saying that we have not closed the week out and the green dot can disappear. And lo and behold, a couple days, I believe, or on Saturday, that green dot disappeared on the Bybit and the Binance exchanges. And then on the Bitstamp, it was still there, but overall it ended up going away as well as the Bitcoin price kept falling. Now, where is Bitcoin going to bottom? At the rate that we are going, it's actually possible that the Bitcoin price could keep going down and maybe start to tag that 200-day moving average, or sorry, the 200-day moving average on the weekly time frame, at which point right now it's at 22,610. Right now, that is quite a big drop from that level, from here all the way down there. I believe it's like a 19 or no, they're 12% drop. So still, a 12% drop is pretty sizable move. But overall, you can see that the Nasdaq right now, the S&P and the Dow Jones are both, the futures are down at the moment, and the Nasdaq is down over 2.2% before market open. So let's just see what happens. That inflation news is really getting to people, and we have that FOMC meeting next week on Wednesday, I believe, and then the PPI coming out on Tuesday. So we do have a little bit of economic news coming out next week. Actually, let me take a look quickly. I believe on Monday we don't have anything for the US, but overall, we are going to open pretty red if the futures stay red. So there's going to be some panic selling. There's going to be a lot of people trying to get out of their trades in their stocks, and especially in the crypto markets as well. I am still holding my spot longs. I still believe that eventually we will get that reversal towards the upside, that relief rally. But I don't know everything that's happening in the markets. I'm not a god, I'm not a genius. I just put my money where my mouth is, and I place my trades. And you can actually see that the Bitfinex longs keep on building as the Bitcoin price keeps falling. And eventually you will see the Bitfinex long reverse down, and then that means the Bitcoin price will end up pumping towards the upside. But we're just going to wait patiently. We're going to take a look at our trades, and we're just going to watch what the market does. Just relax. It's not the end of the world. It's money. Obviously, I don't have my entire portfolio in the crypto markets. The majority of it is in stocks and long-term investments in gold, right? I'm still expecting the gold price to go up for the time being. Gold did have a small move before, when the markets open, the overnight markets open. But right now, for the time being, it is selling off basically along everything else. Oil is starting to come down a little bit, down to 118. Not a big move there. We're still waiting for that pullback on natural gas, but the markets are really scared of inflation right now. We had that 8.6% report come out, and it doesn't spell anything good, especially when the Fed keeps saying inflation has peaked and we keep going higher. And I've been telling people inflation is not peaked yet, and they keep thinking that's it, we've peaked, it's time to get into tech stocks. Tomorrow there's probably going to be some more carnage in the tech sector, and we actually closed the week off with a huge down day on the tech sector. But overall, I'm going to keep adding to my positions in my stocks as well. Just a 1% position, one at a time, giving you a lot of maneuverability when you're trading when we're swing trading our stock. So only small positions. Ethereum is actually on a run down towards the downside right here. Actually pulled up my second chart right here. So we actually see we've broken this downwards channel. We actually came up and retested it as resistance, and now we're going back down. Now their next major support for ETH that I could see is probably around this level right here, around 1298. After that, if it keeps going down towards the downside, my next major target would be probably around this level, around $840, at which point I might start to buy some ETH. But let's just see what happens, right? If ETH keeps tanking, then we're just gonna patiently wait. I do mine ETH, so I don't really need to buy Ethereum. I'd probably just sell it, and I have some USDT in my mining account, so maybe we'll start to pick up some ETH around 840 if it does get to those levels. But overall sentiment is extremely bearish. A lot of people are scared and people are panicking. I'm not really panicking. I'm just watching the markets and waiting patiently. This is kind of funny to see people start to like panic short and get into over leveraged shorts, and then the price could end up reversing towards the upside, and then then you're in a really bad position there. Right now I'm in a small no leverage short at this point right here. I entered in around 26,200, slightly in the money, but if the price does end up reversing towards the upside, it would take a while for me to get liquidated. And again, it's only small, like 10% of the spot trade right there in a small short. If it does keep going towards the upside, then we're gonna be able to close our long positions in profit, and then we're going to be able to add our short, because overall I still think Bitcoin is going to go down to 20,000 and below. So just wait patiently, let's see what happens, and for the time being, watch the market and get some sleep. Don't spend the whole day watching the charts. Get outside, get some fresh air, go talk to people. It's not healthy to stay in front of the charts every single day. And actually, by the way, I wanted to tell people that on the Bitcoin logarithmic chart, we can actually see Bitcoin is getting pretty close to this line right here, and we've actually bottomed out last time on the 2017 or 2018 bear market. When we started to come down, we bottomed out around this level, which is 3,136. So if Bitcoin does come down, this doesn't mean this is going to be the bottom. We could definitely break this level and go tag some other moving averages down there. But this level is actually set at, I'll just take out a little price chart to show you guys. We can actually probably maybe get a nice little bounce around $24,433. Maybe that's to the target. Let me just zoom in a little bit more. There you go, 24,474. Maybe we'll see a little bit of a bounce there, but don't bet the farm on it. Bitcoin is down to 25,600. We haven't closed the day. Let's just wait and see where Bitcoin closes, I guess this day. But I'm gonna go to bed soon, and by the time you get this video, you'll hopefully won't be in bed as well. Anyways, guys, thanks for listening. Really appreciate the support. We're almost at 11,000 subscribers. We're actually at 10,989, but hopefully by the time I wake up tomorrow, we'll be at 11,000. And you guys already know, once we get to 25,000, we're gonna do that next giveaway, which is gonna be $2,500. So don't forget to smash that like button, and don't forget to subscribe. Love you guys. Peace.